This thing that looks like a pastry is actually rubber. Even if you bite it, there's no way you can break off a piece. You need a giant blade cutter to separate them. Right at the moment it's being cut, you gotta follow up with another slice. That's the only way to fully break it apart. The guy picks up 2 blocks to weigh and prepare them with white carbon black. Tell me that name isn't kinda confusing. If it's white, why call it carbon black? Then he grabs a basket of the real carbon black. All these materials are used to make motorcycle tires. The materials get tossed into a kneading machine. They get fully crushed and mixed inside. All stirred up. What comes out is a bunch of dark, lumpy stuff. Is this the legendary Black J paste? Next, this black blob is sent into the rolling machine. Under the rolling drum, it gets evenly mixed into a smooth batch. Oddly satisfying to watch. The master's got some serious skills. Like a hot knife through butter. Dude's got next level technique. Once it's nearly refined, he slices of a strip from the edge and tosses it right on top. After the top rollers press it a guy. It drops back into the Lauer machine. After 81 minutes of intense refining, he slices them into a big chunk and sets it on a rack. But we're not done yet. It still needs more refining. You gotta add this bag of yellow powder. Take a guess. What do you think this yellow stuff is? They sprinkle it in while mixing, right in between the rollers. But this part's actually kinda risky. You gotta be real careful here. Just spinning the rollers won't cut it. You've gotta slice the rubber open first. Then press it again to mix evenly. That's the only way to get a perfect blend. The finished material gets rolled up and sent to the next machine. Still pressing, of course, but now with 2 spinning cutting blades in the middle. Cutting it into a rubber strip about 5 centimeters wide. Cutting through the middle helps ensure uniform thickness. The edges aren't that even. Excess material on the sides gets removed too. Then it's back to rolling. The rubber strip moves along the conveyor belt and first passes through cold water to cool down. Because during the milling process, friction with the machinery generates heat. If it gets too hot, the rubber will age prematurely. The finished rubber heads are folded by the workers and neatly stacked on racks. Right after that, they're sent back into another machine. 4 strips at a time are slowly rolled in. This machine kinda looks like a laminating press. As it's compressed by the machine, it comes out as a strip that's thicker in the middle and thinner on the sides. They even use a ruler to check if it meets the standard. As it's transported, a machine above adds 1 red and 1 blue stripe of paint. No idea what the stripes are actually for. The strip passes through several stages on the conveyor belt and then meets a cutting machine. The blade moves fast and it's razor sharp. True pros finish it in 1 clean cut. Ever need a second try? Just like that, the rubber heads are cut into custom lengths. The master stacks each piece neatly 1 by 1. Not long after, they're all coated with glue and set aside on a rack to sit. Another master pulls out a lining layer. It rolls through the machine, and once it reaches the right length, they tear off the end and join the ends together. There will be a total of 3 different rubber layers here. Next, they attach steel rings to both sides. then brush on a special layer of glue all around. They grab the rubber strips made earlier and coat the material again with glue. Once they line it up properly, they quickly press the rubber strips on. Technique is everything here. As the machine spins, they have to keep adjusting the strip in real time. When it gets close to the joint, you gotta stick the ends together first. Press it hard, no mercy, then use a tool to roll it constantly. That helps the glue bond like a champ. Next, the tire gets a rough massage from this machine. After a full lap, it picks up a few tiny weak spots. Then into another machine it goes. Open the air valve. The machine slowly expands it. And boom, your flat rubber strip becomes tire-shaped. Now we stuff a liner into this half-done tire. Then chuck it into the next machine. Hit the power. It seals shut tight from the bottom up. After some intense heat and vulcanization, open that mold, and boom again, tread pattern is officially baked in. Still hot though, like, really hot. Better gear up with gloves or risk spicy fingers. Would you pry bar in there? And the tire pops right of the mold. Look at this baby fresh out the oven. Still steaming hot. So, what do you think of this Pakistani tire quality? Don't forget to smash that like and follow. Catch you in the next one.